Hello everyone, welcome back to Good Travel Tips, and in this video we are going to talk about how to fix atomic heart its texture is not loading and how we can fix this up. So let's move to the workaround. So the first one is all about you have to use DX11 in the launch option. For that we have to go over here, right click and go to properties, go to over here under general, there is launch option. So here we have to give the command that is DX11. Give the command DX11. Once you give this command DX11, then you just have to play the game, and this is what you have to do. This is the first step we have to try out. After giving this, most probably you'll be able to play the game. And next one is all about we have to verify integrity of game file. For that reason, we have to go over here, right click and go to properties. Go over here in the local file, click on verify integrity of game file. So what happens is if any files are missing and if any files are corrupted, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by this. And this is what you have to do. So this is an important step which you have to try out, and as you can see, you have to try this out, and this is what you have to do. Next one is all about we have to move to increasing virtual memory. So for that we just have to go over here, then search for view advanced system setting. Just have to click on this one. Now from here you just have to go to advanced, click on settings. Now click on advanced once again and click on change. Now from here you just have to under virtual memory, if automatically managed paging file is selected, then you will not be able to select the local disk C. So it is an important fact that you have to uncheck this one, because then only you will be able to select the local disk where the game is installed. So here in my case I'm having the game installed on local disk C, so I have to install the select this one. So I have to select this one, and once it is done just have to go to custom size. Over here I have to give initial size, and what I have to give is maximum size as well. So initial size is 1.5 times the total RAM and maximum size is 3 times the total RAM. So I have to go over here, I should know what is my RAM. For that I have to go to system and I have to scroll down and navigate to about. Over here as you can see 32 GB is my RAM, and I came to know this. So now I have to do the calculation based on this. So I have to go over here, search for calculator, click on this one. Now click on 32 GB into 1024 is the conversion value. So 32 GB is what the RAM and 1024 is just a conversion value. So that brings you a sum of when multiplied to 32,768. Now I have to multiply this with 1.5 times, that is 49,152, because 49,152 is my initial size and maximum size is 3 times the total RAM. So what I have to do is I just have to do like this. 32 GB is my RAM. I have to multiply with 1024, then I have to into 3, that is 98,304. I have to copy this and I have to paste it over here. Once it is done, I just have to go forward everything, close everything, go back over here, close everything and try to play the game, and that's going to fix as well. So these are the possible workarounds that you have to try out, and I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.